Hello. Now let us have the quick revision of linear inequation. At this stage, I need not explain you what is a linear inequation. Okay? If two expressions are not equal, it is said to be a linear inequation. Very important point here is when you add both the sides of inequation or subtract or multiply or divide both the sides of an equation by a positive integer, the sign of inequality won't change. Similarly, when you add or subtract both the sides of an equation by a negative integer also, the sign of inequality does not change. But when you multiply or divide both the sides of the inequation by a negative integer, the sign of inequality changes. Let me give you an example. Suppose minus 2x is greater than 6. You have to find the value of x. In that case, how will you get x? In order to get x, minus 2 has to go that side. The meaning of that is both the sides you have to divide by minus 2. By minus 2. In this case, the sign of inequality changes. If it is 2x is greater than 6, if you divide this by 2, the sign of inequality remains the same. But if you divide both the sides by a negative integer, here you will get x is less than minus 3. But here you will get x is greater than 3. Here both the sides we have divided by 2. This one we can write, we used to write like this. Minus 2x is greater than 6. That implies x is less than 6 by minus 2. That means x is less than minus 3. In linear inequations, the very important point you have to remember is this. Usually students make mistakes here only. Whenever you get negative sign, you have to be very careful. But addition and subtraction, no problem. Whether positive integer or negative integer, only in case of multiplication or division. Suppose minus x is greater than 5. What is the meaning of this? It can be x if you multiply both by minus 1 or divide by minus 1. So, sign of inequality changes. 5 will become minus 5. Minus x is becoming x. 5 is becoming minus 5. Sign of inequality, less than sign will be greater than. Here greater than became less than. So, the very important thing you have to remember is here. And in linear inequations, you have to graph the solution set. Whatever solution you get, means value of x you get. If the question is, find the solution, suppose you get answer x equal to 1, 2, 3. If the question is, find the solution set, you know that the set is to be expressed. The elements of the set are to be enclosed within curly brackets. So you have to write that solution set is 1, 2, 3. This is solution, value of x, but solution set when it is asked, you have to write like this. And graph the solution set on a number line. Or graph the solution set. Graph the solution set in linear inequations means that is on a number line. Always use pencil to draw a number line. And the number line is to be drawn and shown both the sides arrows. Because that is a line. You have to show the line with arrows. And the answer is 1, 2, 3. So, you have to show 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. If you show this much, that is not enough, children. At least 1 both the sides. This side 1 before 0. At least 1 more than that you can do. Or at least 1 both the sides, 1 integer. Always you have to write. Okay? Suppose I will give it, you will get x is greater than or equal to 3. I will explain it. X belongs to natural numbers. The meaning of this is x is greater than 3 or equal to 3. That means 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So for that graph is, draw a number line. Clearly by using scale you have to draw the number line with a pencil. It starts from 3. The natural numbers are starting from 3 here. At least 2 you have to write. Let me start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Show clearly 3, 4, 5 with the filled up circle 6, 7, 8. It continues infinite. So show dot 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 like this. That means it continues. For this example, different varieties. If it belongs to natural numbers, this one. Same x is greater than or equal to 3. X belongs to integers also, you will get this one. Let me give you here. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. X belongs to integers. What are the values of x? Here solution set is not asked. If the solution set is asked, you have to write solution set is all these within curly brackets. The integers greater than or equal to minus 2. That means minus 2 is also included. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here how to graph the solution set? As soon as you draw a number line, show the arrows and draw the lines in order to show the integers. Here minus 2 is there. So at least minus 3 you have to take. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side continuation. Starting from minus 2, you have to show. Okay. And also this side it continues. So how I explained you like this, you show by dots. Are you clear now? Suppose I will give you here greater than or equal to then. So minus 2 is included. Only greater than minus 2 will be there. Integers means minus 2 need not show. Now let me give you one more example. Minus 3 is less than x less than or equal to 2. X belongs to integers. That means what are the values of x? Here x is equal to minus 3 is less than x means x is greater than minus 3. What are the integers greater than minus 3? Minus 2, minus 1, 0 up to less than 2 or equal to 2. Means up to 2 you have to write. So here value of x, the answer is this. So again, how to graph the solution set? Okay. Minus 2 at least 1 extra minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here 3. Here only you have to show minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here no need to put dots because up to 2 only it is there. Okay. And you see here children, here less than or equal to 2 is there. So 2 is included. Here only minus 3 less than 3 is there. So minus 3 we have not included because x is greater than minus 3. So minus 3 is not included. Here less than 2 or equal to 2 is there. So 2 is included. Same thing, if it is real numbers, what to do? Let me explain you. Same inequation. Minus 3 less than x less than or equal to 2. X belongs to real numbers. Real numbers means the solution, you cannot show the integers. These are the integers. Real numbers means every point on a number line is a real number. That means from just above minus 3 to 2, every point on the number line is a real number. Then for that solution, you have to write in the form of set builder form. Solution set equal to x such that this inequation, combined inequation will write x belongs to real numbers. Now how to graph the solution set? Graph the solution. Number line is to be drawn always with showing both the side arrows. Now let me mark like that. All the integers will mark. Minus 3, we can show minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see, real number, what it said, every point on a number line is a real number. So but minus 3 is not included. So what you do is give an empty circle. Just above minus 3, just greater than minus 3, 2 equal to 2, up to 2. Give the filled up circle. Filled up circle means includes, blank circle means not included. So just greater than minus 3, 2, 2, every point on the number line is the solution. So simply darken and widen the number line by using scale and pencil. So very important, real numbers means every point on the number line. Integers, you know, sometimes whole numbers are integers. But as per the question, you have to answer. If in the question it is asked, find the solution set. Always solution set is to be written. Here this is solution, not solution set. Set means element should be enclosed within curly brackets. Here I could not, because here real number, every point on the real number line is a real number. So I have shown the solution set in the form of set builder notation. Clear? Where you have to be careful in linear inequation while solving. If there is minus, you should be very careful. If you multiply or divide both the sides by negative integer, sign of inequality changes. Okay? With this, I believe this much is clear to you, means surely you are going to get 3 marks in the board examination. Okay? Thank you. I will continue in the next videos.